Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Bluedio Hurricane Turbine T5s. Alright, so I've been using these bad boys for a really good long time. And I think it's about time we get this video recorded and out of the way. So let's get into this. So today I'm going to give y'all a close-up look at how the earbuds, I've been reviewing a lot of earbuds lately, how the headphones look on my head. And then we're going to do two sound tests. We're going to do one leakage test, and I'm going to attempt to give y'all one sound sample. Alright, so y'all can see I have the copyright-free music queued up here. And y'all can see the headphones is connected to my Pixel 2 XL there, as you can see. And then let me just show you real quick that we are at 100% volume, as you can see right there. Okay, so everything is queued up, everything is ready to go. Now let's get into this fitting demonstration. Now, for the Bluedio Hurricane turbines here, it's fully adjustable here. So you see you have all these different levels where you can adjust it. Now it's labeled and it goes from 1 to 6 on both sides. So you can fully adjust this so it perfectly fits your head. Now I like that compressed fit. So I like to make it fully compressed. This way when I put it on my head, it really hugs my head and hugs my ears. So that's what I have it adjusted to on both sides. But you can fully adjust this to fit your head as you see fit there. And then we got our buttons on one side. Okay, so we got our play pause button right here. And then underneath that, we got our power on off multifunction button there. And then on the back, we have our volume rocker here. Alright, just so y'all can see that. And then we have this nice aluminum with brushed finish on both air cups. So you can see, really nice brush finish. Really good aluminum with your band here. And this is like a compression band. Really nice material on the band. So really good stuff. So let's throw this on the head now. Okay. And as you can see, I have it set up to fit very nice and snugly on the head. And this actually fits super comfortable. So let me turn this way so y'all can see what the left air cup looks like. Good stuff. And I can barely hear myself talk right now, so I apologize if I'm talking loud. Alright, and then let's turn this way so you can see what the right ear cup looks like. Good stuff. So, really nice fit, and the earbuds do swivel. So if I wanted to pop off one earbud and swivel it to the back here and rock it like this, I could rock it like that. Or I could do the same thing with the other side like that. Okay, so really nice. And there's a few different ways that you can wear this. So that goes over the fitting demonstration. Let's get into the sound test and the sound samples now. And the first one we're going to do, let me adjust the mic so y'all can see it. So we have the mic right here. The first one we're going to do is do a leakage test. And once again, the headphones are connected up to my phone there, and it is at 100% volume. So we're going to see how much leakage comes off of these bad boys at 100% volume. Let's go ahead and push play now. All right, and here we go. Check for that leakage. Let me know what y'all can hear. Here we go. Whew. Oh yeah. All right. We don't want to make this too long. Let me pause here. Oh, whoops. My bad. Okay, so let's pause that there. Now, my impressions of the overall sound quality, these bad boys sound really good. Now, in terms of the overall volume, they get extremely loud. Like when the music was playing, I couldn't hear anything but the music I was listening to. And the differentiation between the instruments is really good as well. So it definitely is really good at separating the instruments throughout the track. And the instrument sounds really good, alright? And then for the all-important bass, I have to say the bass on these are good, but on certain tracks, and I'll provide a link to my current workout playlist that I'm working on, certain tracks that the bass adds another dimension to the track or just provides an overall different feel to the track. You'd want a little bit more punch out of the bass itself, but I realized that with these headphones, the bass is yet again very balanced, but it's just missing that little bit of punch to bring it over the top to being really good for me. But for the most part, the bass is just what I would call balanced. All right, so that's my overall thoughts on the overall sound quality, and the overall fit is really good on these, in my opinion. Now let me go ahead and we're going to rewind the track to when the bass drops, and we're gonna push play and give y'all a nice sound sample, and then we'll bring this video to a close. So here we go. All right, let me hold these up to the mic now. Oh yeah, lots of leakage coming off of here. And we'll do this for about 30 seconds. Starting now. Okay, that should do it for the sound sampling. Now let me pause this. And that should about do it for this video, guys and gals. So I hope y'all enjoyed this fit and sound demo of the Bluedio Hurricane Turbine T5s. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. And as I mentioned, if y'all would like to see or get an example of the types of tracks that I test out when I review headphones, or if you just want a nice workout playlist, I'll link up my current workout playlist down below in the description, along with the links to this copyright-free music. So if you're in the market for copyright-free music, or you just want a link to a very nice playlist, I'll link that up down below. And as always, please leave your feedback as to what you think about these headphones and the overall sound quality and the fit down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is welcome. Alright, as I said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We are out of here.